these kind of events, I think they're absolutely key to get into a market where we're not very active yet. What I see is that a lot of engineers need to get over the first step of getting going on hardware, on software, getting familiar, getting a bit of a push to pick it up and basically decide, yes, we can make a product out of a Nordic device, yeah, and have the confidence and the certainty that they will build something that actually will succeed and will be a success for them. There's a lot of experience to gain on real-time operating systems, getting familiar with them and getting certain that you can actually use them efficiently in a system. What I see is the participants we saw today are extremely focused, well prepared. Distribution was very well prepared, so the event was prepared very well. Backup laptops and everything, that was super. But basically interaction, I think initially it was a bit slow because they were unsure. And after a while they started to see that you can ask questions and have a discussion. And in the end we ended up with very interesting discussions with different customers, and they came over and showed their latest stuff and proud of their products. So yeah, no, I think it's very good. I think the challenge here will be now to follow up and make sure we really get projects out of this, and in the end get sales out of this. I think that is the follow up, and I'm happy to support you there. You've done a great job already. The knowledge in Özdisan is enormous. Customers should value this, and what I see they do. And that's the feedback I got the last days as well. So I think you're all on the right track. Just make it happen now. That's it.
These are events that really helps customers to get started with the products from Nordic, to get a higher level of confidence of the product and the portfolio and how the tools are working. And I think these kind of events also lower the barrier for the customers to really start working with it. So when they came in here, they have maybe no idea of how to deal with the tools. Some work with older versions of our tooling and we're looking for the new versions, how they can use that. And at the end of the day, they have built different projects and they are confident that it works and that they know how to start working. And of course, they need to learn more, but this is a very good start to get new projects done. I think that in the future you will see that the devices are getting more complicated. Demands on applications are getting more complicated. Even the type of applications, they don't change. For example, things like security, the upcoming RED certification that is needed, but also supporting multi-protocols, doing like more end-to-end security. So there is a lot more involved in the development of future projects than they were a few years back. So it's important for customers to get trained on how suppliers like Nordic Semiconductor can help them build projects and give them the tools to build such a kind of projects in the future. So it's a long-term investment for us, but also for the customer to be ready for the future. It's very difficult to make the right content for this kind of events, because you know that you get different skill levels from the participants. So you have to make sure that everybody is get something out of it. So don't make it too complicated, but also don't make it too easy. Make a mix out of that, so that everybody can get more confidence in it as a starter or as somebody that is more experienced with it. And I think that is what would be the aim to do this. And for the future, I think, it's hard to do that in a shorter time, but maybe in more repetition of this kind of events and maybe doing more advanced or other subjects will help them get more confidence for our products as well. Actually, we do a lot of these events, and I wish that they all do it on the same level as you are doing this. This is well prepared, well organized. You had a good interaction up front with the customers. They are all prepared, and also your team supported them excellent while we were doing the training. They helped us helping the customer with the questions during the hands-on. I think it was well organized.